So you're welcome to today's tutorial video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make folders on your Windows desktop PC to disappear so that people won't be able to see it. I actually call it a top secret folder because it might contain files that you wouldn't want the public to have access to. For instance, maybe you have a family or a friend or be it a colleague that always stumble upon your PC, and there are certain files or folders which you don't want to make them to have access to it. Then this video is just for you if you find yourself in such a situation. I'll be showing you how to actually make them disappear or hide them, and also in the process I'll also teach you how to make them visible once again, or simply unhiding them. Now, to start with this video, I actually created the folder as you can see, and I named it Top Secret. And in the process of this video, maybe if you watch to the end, you actually see the folder or the files that I'm actually hiding in this folder, whereby I now tagged it Top Secret. So in case you're visiting this channel for the first time, I'm Chibuzo Agoa is my name, and Bloginfotech is the name of this channel. It's actually a technology related channel whereby I dish out tutorials periodically. So if you want to be part of the family, you can simply hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I put up similar video just like this. So having done that, let's get started. So like I said, I actually created this is my Top Secret folder. As you can see on my desktop, my mouse is actually running over it. So the first thing you have to do, the first step, you have to select the folder. And after selecting the folder, you now click on Alt Enter or Alternate Enter, as the case may be. Then you see this dialog box that will now pop up. So now all you need to do, as you can see from this portion, it says hidden. You have to just tick the hidden portion, select it, then you OK. So you say apply changes to folder, then you say OK. So as you can see, automatically that folder that was visible in this portion is no longer found. And like I said, it's a top secret folder whereby it contains files that I don't want to make public, and I've hidden it from displaying on my desktop view. So even if I should give this PC of mine to someone else, even if the person can never locate that folder. And before we proceed, I'm actually shooting this video from a Windows 10 PC, and the same steps is also applicable if you're using Windows 11, so you can still follow the steps. Now, we've actually hidden that folder, so maybe in the process of time you want to unhide the folder, or you want to make it to appear once again in your Windows desktop. What will you do? So now let me teach you the step on how you can make it to appear once again on your Windows desktop. So now in this case, all you have to do is to open the Windows Explorer. You can simply click the Windows Explorer in your tags bar, but if you don't find it there, the simple or the fastest way you can locate your Windows Explorer is actually clicking the Windows button and E at the same time. As you can see, the Windows Explorer has actually popped up. So now you move to the view. On the menu bar, you click on view. Now when you click on view, you can select you see this very portion, it says hidden file. All you have to do is to select hidden files, and automatically that folder is now appearing in this portion. But remember, I actually did this from my Windows Explorer. I tick the hidden file here, and as you can see, the folder is now appearing, but it's not really visible as other folders actually appear. So how will you do to make it visible just like other folders? So the next thing, you still follow the first step on how you use to make it disappear or actually hiding it. You select the folder in this case and click Alternate Enter at the same time. Select the folder, Alternate Enter. And as you can see, the dialog box has popped up once again. So you now go to this portion that says hidden, and you actually unhide. Then you say apply, then OK, and OK. And as you can see, the folder is now visible for everyone to see. So you see, this is a simple step you can follow if you actually want to maybe make top secret folders that you find on your Windows desktop to disappear, so that people or the public won't have access to it, be it a family member or your colleague. So, and that's the step I've shown you. So if you like this video, simply give it a thumbs up, and also share this video for other colleagues of yours who wants to know the steps to actually follow. Go to the comment section and also ask a question, and I will attend to them speedily. So, and just like I promised from the start, so now let's see my folders, and let's unravel what I actually is in this folder and why I termed it top secret. It's actually a PowerPoint file. Now let's open it and let's minimize this, and voila. Oh, this is what is found there. It's actually said this is how to hide and unhide top secret folders on your Windows desktop. That's We've come to the end of this video, and like I said from the start, Chibuzo is my name. I'm blogging for tech is the name of this channel. So once you've subscribed, turn on the bell notification, just sit back, relax, and anticipate for my next video. So bye bye for now.